name is Benedict.
I'm Jaira. I'm Marvin. I'm Jacqueline. We are the student of the Taguig City University.
Taking up office administration.
We are make a mathematical investigation and make an interview of mathematics in their life. Gusto kayong ma-interview?
Sila.
Kuya, okay lang po.
Kami po yung estudyante ng Taguig City University.
Jacqueline po. Okay lang po kuya. Kuya, pwede po ba dito mo po? Tanong na. May tanong po name mo kuya. Kuya po. Ilan taon na po? Ano po negosyo? What's your
We are here to ask you about what is the importance of mathematics?
ano po ang iyong
Math. Ano ba yung mahalagaan ng mathematics para sa iyo? Mathematics para sa yan mo ipa siya aralan kung lalago ba yung
yes, because it's important, especially if you have your own business and especially in our daily life. And because of mathematics and math using by it, here he can see if his business is still growing or not. Sir, next question. In what way do you use math in your daily life? Pang-araw-araw po na paano niya na-include sa business mo?
yan ang nagamit lang
Instead, I always use math, especially a customer need to change. What is the highest grade that you got in music? Ano yung
wave of elementary. Ano po yung
mataas na grade na nakuha din sa math?
grade lang?
Yung next question po, what is the lowest grade that you got in math? Yung pinakababa. He said, I just only done my elementary life, and when I was still studying, I just got only 83 in my highest grade and 79 for my lowest grade. Thank you po. Sorry po sa abala.
So ma'am, meron po kaming konting katanungan about math. So for you ma'am, what is the importance of mathematics?
Siyempre, kailangan din natin yung math kasi yung pinakalsukan sa tao, lalo na sa mga nag-aaral. Siyempre, magagamit siya sa math para, siyempre, marunong magbilang. Kailangan din yun araw-araw.
She said that mathematics is very important for me, very important for her, because we use mathematics for every routine.
Next question, in what math in your daily life?
I use math in my daily life. Kailangan yung math lalong-lalo na sa akin kasi nagtitinda ako dito, dapat marunong mag-play, gano'n. Kailangan ko yung math. Kailangan ko yung math.
She said that she used math in her daily life, especially for her, because she used it
In her business.
Okay. Ma'am, what's the highest grade that you got in math and what's the lowest grade that you got?
I got in a higher... yung pinakamataas na grade na nakuha ko sa math, 83%. Then yung pinaka-lowest doon ay 79%.
She said that the highest grade she got in math in her high school day